Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a button to your header next to your navigation menu on your Squarespace website. We'll also talk about how you can customize your button and how you can link it to a relevant page on your website. If you haven't already got a copy of my Squarespace website checklist, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You can grab a copy for free, and if you're building a website on Squarespace, you can follow along with all the steps. I'm going to show you today how you can add a button to your header on your Squarespace website. So your header on your Squarespace website is this very top part that has your navigation menu. We've got a logo here on the left, and I want to add a button right here on the right hand corner. So to do that, I'm going to click Edit, and then I'm going to roll over the header and click on this button that says Edit Site Header. And over here on the left, I've got a button that says Add Elements. Click on that and you'll have a pop-up that shows you all sorts of different elements you could add into your header. But today I want to add in a button. So I'm going to toggle that on, and you can see we now have a button on the right-hand side. But this button currently isn't linked to anywhere, and the words on it by default will be Get Started, but I want it to say something different. So to customize the button, you just need to hover over the button until the blue box appears around it, then click on the pencil icon that appears. And this is where you can customize your button. So let's change the text first, because I want it to say contact. And just because it says contact doesn't mean it's necessarily linked to my contact page. I do need to attach a link to it. So to link it to my contact page, I just need to click on this button that says attach link. And the pop-up that comes up will bring up a list of pages that are currently on my website. So I can scroll through and I can choose the page that I want, which is the contact page, and then just click out of it, and that's the link attached. So now it says what I want it to say, and it's also linked to my contact page, which is great. But I just want to show you as well, you can actually change how this button looks. So hover back over the button until the blue box appears, click on the pencil icon. And if you click over onto the design tab, you have the option to change the style of the button. So currently it's set to a primary button, but if I click on that, I could either change it to a secondary button or a tertiary button. And these button styles I already preset in a previous video. So if you haven't already watched the video where I set the button styles on this website, I'll link it in the description box below. So you can go ahead and watch how I've actually set them to look this way. And there are customizations that you can make if you want your buttons to look different to this. But that's how you add a button, and that's how you can link it to a page, and also how you can change how it appears in your header. If you found this video useful, please remember to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other Squarespace tutorials. I'll leave a link to my Squarespace website checklist in the description box below. You can grab a copy for free. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.